not just the cover. I think there's more to it than the cover. But they always say you judge a book by cover, and I think if you go by the cover, you'll love the book. And I'm not saying that because I'm there, but I just think it kind of really grabs the essence of life backstage, of life, what it is like in the fashion business, which is fun. It's chaotic. It's vibrant, and I think that's what the book is all about. There are a lot of experiences. I think Wendell's one-on-one experiences that he's had over the years, over decades that he's been in the business, and I'm really happy and proud that I can. You never know. I think fashion has already been made, which is a life on fashion. So this is if somebody finds it absolutely mesmerizing to turn it into a film, I think you should. बहुत ही अच्छे memories है. I still remember ये show था Wendell का पहला show था गोवा में. And I was part of that show, and I still remember सारे जो models हैं सारे 6 feet tall models हैं, and I was like the shortest over there, so everybody was like all the girls are so tall and Malaika's really tiny. And I still remember the opening of the show, and I was wearing this outfit which was typical Goa. I think all his clothes were inspired by Goa, so I was wearing these coconut shells and accessories, and I opened the show with it, and for me it was one of the most memorable shows. It could be anything. My style depends on my mood. It all really does, but otherwise I say keep it simple, keep it clean, and you'll never go wrong with that. People keep asking me tips, hair tips, skin tips, fitness tips, like these little, for me I like kind of delving into that. But if there's a book that I would really like to write, it would be something on cooking. That is something that I really enjoy, so probably someday. Well, it's Wendell's creation, and it's part of his new collection that he showcased at the Lakme Fashion Week, and I really like it because the colors there is really nice and pop and nice and happy, and I think it goes very well with the mood of the day.